Hello, I'm Jacob with the Virtual Technology Assistance Program at Thomas Nelson Community College. Today, we will be covering how to use the discussion boards inside Canvas for all your classes. So this is the test class I have here, and we have the discussions over on the left. Now, each instructor can set up their course differently, but I have this one set up like this. And if your instructor added a due date, you can see that right over here too. In fact, if it has a date attached to it, we can actually go over to the calendar and see where it takes place. So here it is right here. Let's click on it. And on the top, that link will take us to discussion, and the bottom link, that'll take us to the class. So let's go into the discussion. Cool, so let's go ahead and add a reply. There is, of course, the basic, we can type in our answer. But there's actually quite a few word processing tools in here too. So of course we have our basic bold, italics, underline. We can change the color of the text. We can highlight the text. We can add images. And I think the thing I get the most use out of is hiding in here. We have our bullet points. So we can have like a regular bullet list, or we can actually have a numbered list using these. And there's some add-ins if you wanted to like insert a table, images, or equations, or even other documents. We can upload those from here. And if you feel comfortable, you can even change it to HTML view and edit the raw HTML. And to exit that, of course, we can just click on this and that'll take us right back. And lastly, at the bottom, we have the attach button, which lets us upload any file from our computer. So let's go ahead and do that and upload the same file that we used when testing out the WEPA software. And of course, if we uploaded it by mistake, we could use this red X to remove it. I've seen this function mostly used for discussion boards, like for peer review assignments in like English 111, where all the students will upload a document to the discussion board for peer review, and then all the other classmates will read it and give feedback on it. So the main difference between attaching a document in here and attaching a document up here upload that. Ooh, let's have those on a different line. Cool. So the main difference is the text in here is just a hyperlink to the document, whereas this will actually allow the users to download it. So if we post our reply, we can click here. This is what was inside the text, and it just opens a new tab with the document inside it. It'll load it and render it. Whereas if you click the one at the bottom, this is what we hit attach on. If we click that, it'll just begin downloading it. So let's save the file. So it'll just download that. So we have our reply here. This is what we did. And we can actually reply to our reply by clicking down here. So like the main discussion post could be about an assignment, and each student may need to do some research and then reply to 2 or 3 other students. So they would do that down here. And you have all the same tools that you had access to up there. I hope that this video is useful. If you have any questions about the content of this video, leave them in the comments or send them to vtaptncc@gmail.com. Thanks for watching and happy learning.